Everyone, I welcome to you all on our YouTube channel. I hope that information that we are sharing with you on a regular basis, it is helping you out. It is useful to build your career, and I strongly recommend if you are having question, you wanted to understand something, please do write to us. We will try to make a daily video. So today's is we are covering topic is what is CRO, because many time what student think is that for them go to organization is pharma or biotech or device company, so they on the same time don't consider jobs or career opportunities in CROs. But today I wanted to bring your attention on what CROs and how you can have a wonderful career growth in CRO also, and what are the leading names in CRO. Not only that, what CRO actually do. So clinical trial research organization, you can say that CROs, they are also known as a contract research organization, are the companies that provide support to pharma companies. So as we know, the clinical trial, they are very complex, they are not easy to handle. Many resources are needed in that. So contract research organization, they support basically in research to pharma company, biotech companies, medical device companies in the form of research services. We will learn what are these services are, and these services are outsourced to these organizations on the contractual basis, and they provide wide range of services. And here is a growth opportunity, career opportunity for you all also, including your drug development, clinical trial management. That management has all the functions like medical writing, clinical data management, your biostat, everything include in clinical trial management, including audits, monitoring, pharmacovigilance services, basically to simplify the research process. So what pharma do, so pharma company, they outsource their work to these CROs. Basically they sign a contract, okay, this part of my work please handle. So they may hire a more than one CRO for one trial. Maybe to one CRO they are asking services in operation, other medical writing, other pharmacovigilance, like so. So that is CRO. Now key services, as I covered, is they provide you range of services. It's like very first point, they depend on what client need. Maybe one client need only services, say in medical writing, MW, so client will provide them, CRO will provide them that. Another pharma company maybe need a services in PV, right? Like your service provider Cognizant, TCS, they are more providing services in medical writing or pharmacovigilance, right? Or maybe there is leading CRO IQVIA, they are more actively providing services in all the function like clinical operations, medical writing, pharmacovigilance. So all depend on what the client need. They cover from your basic research, that your all drug discovery right from phase 1 through your phase 4. Not only that, but your real world evidence studies as well, any research, in fact observational by BA studies, right? And there are CROs, those are also having expertise in specific therapeutic areas, so they provide services accordingly. Now and these services can be either in operations, so you will be able to get a job as a clinical research associate. This is just exemplary services, not limited to this. Maybe clinical investigator, they, or data management, medical writing, they can provide the services. And even their service can be limited to just a project management, right? Medical affairs, biostat services, and quality assurance, quality control services. These are the few examples like these contract research organizations and how these contract research organization can support pharma, biotech, and device manufacturing companies with different type of services. And now for you is here opportunity. They are having almost every function in them, so you can aim a job in all these domains. Now, before you consider your career, the question comes in the very fundamental question is that, okay, how about their growth? If today I am joining one contract research organization, how can I see myself in terms of my career milestones, where I will be reached? That also question will get answered is that how this industry is growing. If you are part of industry which is growing, if you are part of industry which is growing, that you have a fair chances, right? So this is a report that you can say that what is the projection of contract research organization growth from 2019 to 27, and I will strongly recommend go and do your own research also, because that way it will give you confidence. Because sometimes students make their mind is that, oh no, I will join only pharma, I don't want to join contract research organization. But believe me, here you will get more exposure, because you will be able to handle multiple projects, right? So your learning curve will be very high. So if you get a chance, try and get a job. So this is growth rate. Market value is expected 96.4 billion. So at the moment it is growing by 8%. So and if you see the areas also, this is orange, if you can say, this is your Asia Pacific. So lot of growth is expected in Asia Pacific region as well, and North America also. This is the largest region. So this is light green is Latin America and all that. So you can, and where this growth is, if we wanted to divide it by domain wise: early phase development, your phase 1 studies, your clinical research services, the highest growth, and this is most of work is getting outsourced to Asia Pacific region. And what are these services? Your medical writing, pharmacovigilance, data management, the highest services are getting outsourced. And in the lab services also there is outsourcing, so there is a work. And this is mostly happening in Europe. And consulting services also, again, lot of work is outsourced to consulting services organization as well. So this is an overview, like how this industry is growing and how you can build a good career as a clinical researcher in CROs as well. So this was just for reference, but I can say that you can also do your research. These are leading players like Icon, PPD, just Google them. You will be able to know what kind of jobs you will be able to find in these organizations. IQVIA, all these are also available in India, and these are international CROs. Brexels, Sneos Health, LabCorp, even smaller CRO. There are many small CRO. Lambda, Indian CROs also, they are active. That is CRO industry. Then in academics, but this is more international. Also, in India also, like ICMR, they are also doing a lot of clinical trials. You can aim for jobs there also. But as of now, if you wanted to focus on CROs, contract research organization, go Google it, do your research, try to visit their page, try to see what type of services they are providing, try to see what kind of jobs you are able to get fit in. So this is high level view. Now what type of the careers you can make, because I have shown you that what are the services they get outsourced. So any job, like these are just examples: clinical research associate, clinical project manager, data manager, biostatistician, medical writer. These are few, and also PB associate, drug safety associate. All these jobs are just available in contract research organization. And what these know, I know my audience, they mostly are from pharmacy, life sciences, or medical background. So if you have a scientific knowledge and you have know the fundamentals of ICH, GCP, and little about clinical research, you can aim for these jobs. You have to, of course, prepare yourself. There are so many videos on my channel also, which will give you in-depth sufficient idea about what is ICH, GCP, what is CR. So you have to prepare before you are trying to make a career in clinical research. Now another question is also important. Okay, fair enough that we started in contract research organization. How about our career advancement, basically career ladder? So mostly how these jobs work, it's not exact but just related to like this. You may be joining as a analyst or associate or a medical writer, right? Then you can become a senior associate or analyst, or then you can also be a consultant, or then you can be a project manager, and then you can also be a senior project manager, or manager medical writing, manager pharmacovigilance associate, depending on your field. Or then you can be a director, and then you can also be a senior director, or you can also be a head. That these designations, they change here and there, but I'll say that there is a growth ladder, so you can expect a very good career if you are wanted to go into contract research organizations as well. So that's all from my side. I hope this video is going to help you. If you are having questions in your mind, you can leave in the comment section, and I wish you good luck.